It's blowin' coupons, and I'm giving y'all the best CVS breakdowns for May 10th through May 16th. These deals are beginner-friendly, and I'm explaining the real out-of-pocket cost after ExtraBucks and rebates so you know exactly what you're paying. First deal, Crest toothpaste. Buy 3 Crest toothpastes at $3.99 each. Your total comes to about $11.97. Use the $5 CVS digital coupon and pay around $6.97 out of pocket. Then CVS gives you back $5 in ExtraBucks, making your final cost only about 66 cents each. Next up, Crest Mouthwash. Grab 3 Crest mouthwashes for $3.99 each. Total is about $11.97. Use the $5 digital coupon and pay $6.97 out of pocket. Then get back $5 in ExtraBucks, bringing the final cost down to around 66 cents each again. This is an amazing stock-up price. Now let's talk Neutrogena makeup wipes, because beauty couponers are gonna love this one. Buy 2 Neutrogena wipe packs at $6.99 each for a total of $13.98. Use the $4 off 2 coupon and pay $9.98 out of pocket. CVS gives you back $6 in ExtraBucks, making the final cost only $1.99 each. Laundry deal alert: buy Tide detergent, Tide Pods, and Downy scent beads. Your total comes to around $27.47 after coupons. Then you get back $10 in ExtraBucks and a $5 P&G rebate, making your final cost about $12.47 total for all 3 products. That's about $4.16 each. Gain lovers, this one is good too. Buy Gain detergent, flings, scent beads, and dryer sheets. After digital coupons, your out-of-pocket is about $30.96. Then get back $10 ExtraBucks plus a $5 rebate, making your final cost around $15.96 total, or only $3.99 each. Lysol wipes are also on sale. Buy 2 Lysol wipes. One is free, so you pay about $10.79 time total. Then get back $3 in ExtraBucks, making your final price around $3.90 each. And my makeup girls, Maybelline eyeshadow is basically free-ish. Buy 2 Maybelline eyeshadows for $4.79 each. Total is $9.58. Use the $3 CVS coupon and pay $6.58 out of pocket. Then CVS gives you back $4 in ExtraBucks, making your final price only about $1.29 each. Pro couponing tip: use your ExtraBucks from one deal to help lower your out-of-pocket on the next deal. That's called rolling your rewards, and that's how couponers leave CVS with bags full of products for super cheap. Comment CVS list if you want the full breakdowns, and follow Blowin' Coupons for more weekly CVS, Walgreens, Walmart, and Target deals.